With the foundation of my bed in place, it was time to make it more comfortable. I started by laying out finely chopped pieces of wood across the logs I had arranged earlier. Each piece was carefully placed to ensure the surface was even. Next, I went in search of moss nearby. The forest floor was covered in it, so I gathered as much as I could carry. The moss would serve as a natural mattress, adding both comfort and insulation to my bed. I spread the moss evenly over the wooden base, creating a soft and cushioned layer.